Squad, Merry Christmas. This video will most likely post near Christmas. I don't know if it will be the day of, the day after, but Merry Christmas. I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas. So I am Armoni. My channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, and lifestyle. We have another hair review for you guys by Ayiyi hair. So we're gonna get into this hair review. They sent us over a bald wig. Your girl love bald wigs. That is my like go-to style. But it's a Peakaboo, so it has the color in the back. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly, and then we'll get right into this hair review. Make sure you guys comment down below, like this video, and subscribe, of course.
Rolling, I'm outside. 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line. How many more days could I wait? Many plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lied for you. I think I died for you. Jealousy cry for you. Don't think when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller.
very like versatile. I changed the part on off camera just to see like how it will look for you guys. So I only did baby hairs on one side just because I want to play with whether a side part or a middle part. But as you guys can see, both is given. Middle part is definitely given. You're able to see the Peakaboo color like really good. But as you guys know, if you aren't new to my channel, you know a side part is definitely where it's at. So we're gonna flip back to our side part temporarily. Bump our hair a little bit. So yeah, so tell me what you guys think about this unit. I think I'm feeling the middle part more, but tell me what you guys think about this unit. Until next time, Dash Squad, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you.